Lily, let's play a game. Let's learn our special family rule.
Yay! A game, Mommy! What is the rule, Mommy?
Our home is our cozy castle. What happens in our castle stays in our castle.
Mummy, ask about what we do at home. You don't have to worry about answering.
You just say,
Ask my mommy.
ask my daddy.
Yes. Let's practice. If Teacher Tracy asks, what did you eat for breakfast? What do you say?
Ask my mommy. Ask my daddy.
Perfect. You are ready.
Yay!
Hello, Lily. That is a beautiful son.
Thank you, Teacher Tracy.
Lily, I have a question. Did Mommy or Daddy hit you at home today?
If you want to know, ask my mommy. If you want to know, ask my daddy.
Oh, really? I should ask them?
Yes! Ask my mommy. Ask my daddy.
Okay, Lily. I will ask your Mommy and Daddy when they come to pick you up.
Lily, how was your day at school today?
It was good. Mommy, Teacher Tracy asked me a question.
Oh, what did she ask you, sweetie?
She asked if you or Daddy beat me.
And what did you say?
I said, ask my mommy, ask my daddy.
Oh, Lily, you remembered our family rule. You did so well.
Hey, I am a big girl.